If you listen to just one song, you can make $5. If there are 2 songs, you can expect to make around $10. Imagine how it would feel to get paid to listen to music. Here's how to do it. Listen to 10 songs, and you'll be paid $50 repeatedly. As you can see, I've already made about $900 using this platform. To start, go to pixabay.com and look for the music tab. If you can't find it, just type pixabay.com into your browser to access the website. /music on this page. As you can see from the search box here, you can actually search for an artist, a song, a genre, or music to listen to if you are in a certain mood. You will see that they have royalty-free music tracks that are available for anyone to download and enjoy listening to. If you scroll down, you'll see that this website has a ton of music tracks that you can download for free and onto any device. You won't have to pay for them, and there are no restrictions on how many songs you can freely download. However, we won't just be listening to and downloading songs here. Instead, we'll be using this website for other things. Here is evidence that this method will work for you. This person just turned 11 doing this. This person just received 26.06 today. This person has made 45.5 today. This person has made 50. And the list of people currently making money every single day using this method goes on and on. Just imagine how much money you will make using this trick. This method is very easy to follow. So even if you're a beginner and have never made money online, you can do it. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest making money online tips and tricks. If you're excited to learn how to make money using simple online techniques, hit the like button and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Okay, so while you will literally be seeing hundreds of thousands of songs on this page, we won't be downloading any of them. I'll share with you some unique advice that I use to help you earn even more money. Let's move to the left side of this page to find all of this music organized into different genres. We have energetic electronic beats, beautiful plays feature ambient music, alternative hip-hop, and many other genres that will be displayed here. There are actually many different songs that you can find here on Pixabay Music, and each of these songs can earn you about $5 for each song over and over again. So all you have to do is visit this page, press this play button, and the song will begin playing. After listening to the song through to the end, if you find that you enjoy it and you believe that other people will as well, you can move on to the next step of this method. If not, you should probably leave it alone and try to find another song for this tutorial. Let's search for pop music in the search bar. I'll use this example because pop music is very popular, and you can probably make some money using this genre quickly. Now, like before, let's click on this play button to hear a sample of the song. If you ask me, I think this is a cool song, and I might enjoy listening to it over and over again. I'll just play a few seconds of it here to see if it is a good pop song. Next, click this link's download button to save the song to your computer. Ideally, we'd like to repeat this several times. To prepare for the next step, listen to these songs. Pick the ones you think are enjoyable to hear and download them to your computer. Keep in mind that the more songs you listen to and download, the more money you will be able to earn. I suggest taking a little more time to listen to these songs and download the ones you like the most before moving on to the next step, which is to visit this website, known as up-forever.com. The good thing about posting your work on the internet is that you have no limit to your traffic. Millions of people from all over the world can view it. Up-Forever is a free website that will pay us money to share our music files. I know you might be wondering, but what if many people download the same song and upload it onto this website? How are we going to get paid? We can upload our files safely and then withdraw the profits using a variety of payment methods. Or you can choose to turn these profits into products if you're looking for tracks like these, and we won't be getting traffic from the same source as everyone else, as it states right here on their homepage. The way this system operates is that whenever someone downloads a file that you have uploaded to a website, they will be presented with advertisements that they can choose to skip or watch. This platform will then share the ad revenue with you, which is how both you and the platform will be paid. Before I demonstrate how you can multiply your income, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and indicate in the comments section below whether you agree or disagree with the following affirmative statement. Music. Now let's get back to making money. By the way, The sign-up process is very simple and will take you less than a minute to complete. You only need to provide some basic information about yourself here to log into your account. You can click here where it says Make Money. Also, don't forget to comment your country name below so that I can keep creating more videos that are effective in your or see how it actually operates. As you can see, they will offer you the best pricing available worldwide. And from this table below, the amount you will be paid depends on where the majority of your downloads will originate. For instance, you will be paid $3 if the majority of your downloads come from Tier 4 countries. You will be paid $4 for downloads from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, and $7 for downloads from Tier 1 countries. Here are the various methods for withdrawing your money from this platform. You can use PayPal, Payer Money, and Perfect Money. By the way, you can choose from any of these other payment options or pay Sarah with AdCash. These only have a $1 minimum payment, and this one is also $1. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have about 5 ways that you can make money from this website. And the one I like the most is this one here, where we are able to sell these files through my account with a price that I get to set. And I get to earn every time someone downloads my files. Let me log into my account. As soon as you meet their minimum threshold, you can withdraw any amount you have earned. As you can see, this is my dashboard. I've already made about $900 using this method on a recent account. I've also shared my referral link with others and on my social media accounts. And to date, I've managed to recruit at least 97 people to join this platform and begin making money. The great thing about these referrals is that I get to profit every time my referrals make money. To set this up, move over to the left side of this page where you can see all the features you have in your dashboard. Click here where it says Upload Files, and then on the following page, click on Choose File to simply upload one of the songs you downloaded from Pixabay. You can write the song's description in here, and then make sure that it is set to public before clicking Start Upload to upload your files. Once your files have been uploaded, click on this pen. I'm just going to put in $7.50 as the price for the song so that whenever someone downloads it, I'll know how much they paid. Repeat this process for all the songs you want to upload, but make sure to first listen to them to determine whether they are good songs.